Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a great morning and a wonderful day, but it's so cold, so very cold. But I hope wherever you are tuned in to hear this video. Our title today is about the benefits, health benefits of goat meat that you never knew. It contains important vitamins and minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. Best for cancer fighting properties. It is rich in iron even than beef. High in omega-3 fatty acids. It's also high in high qualities high protein quality levels. Also it also is easy digestion, easy in digestion and utilized by the body. Thank you, my viewers, and I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video, and at least you have learned something about goat meat. I really thank you all. I thank all my fans, and I really appreciate for the great work so far. Please keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep giving this video a like. Please check me out on Benevision YouTube. Kindly give this video a like. Subscribe if you had not. Give this video share with your friends and the rest of the world. Thank you all. Until my next video, bye bye.